Ever wondered what the real difference is between fresh and frozen vegetables beyond just the temperature? Today, we're diving deep into a world of color, texture, and sound to explore this very question. We're not just talking about it, we're going to see it, hear it, and almost feel it. Welcome to our ultimate ASMR vegetable showdown, fresh versus frozen. Get ready to be mesmerized. First up, the humble cabbage. Look at this fresh head, its leaves wrapped tightly, a perfect globe of pale green. The weight feels substantial, promising a crisp, watery crunch. Let's get closer as the knife glides through. Listen to that satisfying snap. Each layer separates cleanly. You can see the moisture glistening on the cut surface, a testament to its freshness. The scent is clean, earthy, and peppery. It's alive with vibrant energy. Now, let's meet its frozen counterpart. Encased in a delicate layer of frost, it looks like a gem from a winter wonderland. The leaves are stiffer, more rigid. When the knife makes contact, the sound is completely different. It's a sharp, crystalline crackle, like stepping on frozen leaves. The cut is not as smooth, it's more of a shatter. You see tiny ice crystals sparkling under the light. The texture is firm and brittle, a stark contrast to the fresh version's yielding crunch. Next, the vibrant carrot. This fresh one is a brilliant orange, smooth and tapered to a fine point. It feels solid and firm in my hand. Let's slice it. Hear that sharp, definitive snap. It's the sound of pure freshness. The cross-section reveals a beautiful, deep orange core with concentric rings. The surface is moist, almost juicy, and it smells sweet and earthy. It's a perfect, wholesome crunch captured in a single slice, and here is the frozen carrot. It's coated in a fine, powdery layer of ice. Its bright orange hue slightly muted by the frost. It feels cold and hard as a rock. As the knife presses down, it's a slower, more deliberate cut. Listen to the high-pitched cracking and splintering sound as the ice gives way. The inside looks denser, more concentrated, with visible ice crystals embedded within its structure. The sweet smell is there, but it's more subtle, locked away by the cold. Let's move on to the cheerful bell pepper. This fresh one is a glossy, brilliant red, its skin stretched taut and smooth. It feels light but firm when we cut into it. The sound is a hollow, crisp pop as the skin breaks. The flesh is thick and juicy, and you can see the tiny droplets of water bead up. The inside is a maze of white ribs and seeds, and the aroma is sweet, tangy, and incredibly fresh. It's like sunshine in vegetable form. Now for the frozen bell pepper. The red is deeper, more jewel-toned under its frosty veil. It's already cut into strips, each piece a rigid shard. Watch as the knife comes down. It's a clean, glassy shatter, a sharp crackle that echoes in the quiet. The texture is icy and solid. There's no juicy pop, just the sound of frozen water crystals breaking apart. The sweet pepper scent is faint, released only as it begins to thaw. Behold the magnificent beetroot. Fresh, it's a deep, mysterious purple, its skin earthy and a little rough. It feels dense and heavy. Cutting into it requires a bit of effort. The sound is a dull, satisfying thud, and the reveal. A stunning, vibrant magenta with delicate white rings. The color is so intense it stains the board. It's juicy, earthy, and sweet, a true gem from the ground. Now, the frozen beetroot, already diced into perfect cubes. Each one is a dark, frosty jewel. The color is almost black in its frozen state. As the knife splits a cube, it's a brittle, sharp crack. The sound is clean and precise. You can see the intricate ice formations within the deep purple flesh. The texture is solid, almost like cutting a frozen berry. The earthy sweetness is locked inside, waiting for warmth to release it. Here comes the cool cucumber. This fresh one is long and green, with a waxy, smooth skin. It's incredibly hydrating. The cut is almost silent, a soft, wet slice. The flesh is a pale, translucent green with a core full of soft seeds. You can practically see the water content. The smell is the epitome of freshness, clean, green, and light. It's the perfect, refreshing crunch. And its frozen version, the slices are pale green discs, each one shimmering with ice. The sound of the knife is a crisp, light crackle, like thin ice breaking on a puddle. The texture is more like a sorbet, brittle yet soft. The fresh, watery crunch is replaced by a frosty shatter. The classic cucumber scent is there, but it's much more delicate, almost whisper quiet. Next is broccoli, a tiny tree of green. The fresh floret is a tight cluster of deep green buds. It feels sturdy and dense. When we slice through the stalk, it's a fibrous, satisfying crunch. The florets crumble slightly, releasing a fresh, slightly bitter, green aroma. It's a picture of health, packed with texture and life. Now, let's see the frozen broccoli. The florets are a brighter green, preserved in their icy coating. The knife cuts through with a frosty, crackling sound. It's less of a crunch and more of a shatter as the ice crystals break apart. The structure is more delicate, the small buds easily separating. The green scent is still present, but softened by the cold. Finally, the zesty radish. Fresh, it's a small, round orb of vibrant red and white. Its skin is smooth and thin. The cut is a sharp, crisp snap, full of energy. The inside is a pure, bright white, with a watery, crystalline texture. It has a spicy, peppery kick that you can almost smell. It's a burst of flavor and crunch in a tiny package. And the frozen radish, sliced and waiting. The red skin is a bit darker, the white flesh opaque with frost. The knife makes a light, tinkling sound as it splits the frozen slice. It's a clean break, a high-pitched crackle. The spicy aroma is muted, held captive by the ice. The texture is hard and brittle, a frozen snapshot of its former crispness. Which one looked more satisfying? Fresh or frozen? So there you have it, fresh versus frozen. One is full of life, with wet, crisp, and vibrant sounds. The other is a world of crystalline beauty, with sharp, crackling, and frosty textures. Each has its own unique character, its own sensory signature. Let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining this relaxing journey with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mesmerizing content. See you next time.